don't need another optimization tool. You need a popsicle stick, a glue gun, and some glitter. Research shows that playful creativity increases divergent thinking, it boosts resilience, and it reduces your stress. And no, play isn't just for kids. It's for anyone who wants to approach life with more openness, less fear, and a little sparkle in their eye. But not glitter, because that hurts. This is the difference between cooking from a recipe and cooking from instinct. Sometimes you just open the fridge, you toss in what looks good, and you see what happens. Will it win a Michelin star? Nope. But will it wake up your senses and surprise you? Yup. So here's your behavior activity. Play your way back to openness. Ask, what creative outlet used to bring me joy before someone graded it? What's one low-stakes, high-fun thing I can make this week with no goal except play? What could I stir up, literally or metaphorically, that invites delight? Then go do it. Make soup without a recipe. Decorate cookies just for fun. Create a playlist and dance while you roast carrots. Afterwards, reflect. What felt different? What did I rediscover about myself? Where else might I invite a little less control and a lot more flavor? Being open means letting your creativity bubble up without needing it to serve a purpose.